I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy Super J, and I'm back at you with another video. And for today, I got a little surprise for y'all. I got a little unboxing. I was so excited that I just had to open the box. Like, I had to look for myself at these. These things are crazy. Before we jump into the video, I would gladly appreciate it if you subscribed and you hit that little ringer dinger button. That would be fantastic. This is the box right here. You know how Vans is, how they have 3-day shipping. But check this box out, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at this box. I am Groot. Like, come on, man. That is lit. That is lit. But this is just the beginning. This is just the box, bro. Come on, fam. Like, come on. Moment of truth. Woo! Just check that out. Check those things out. It has the wing of Thor. Then you have Captain America on the back. And then you have Captain America here. Then you have the Incredible Hulk on the midsole. And then you got Iron Man right there. It's lit. What you mean? And I got the little Marvel's Vans tag that I'm about to take off. But yeah, they come with the silver laces. And they have Marvel details on the inside. Like, they have Captain America in there. They got Hulk. They have Thor in there. They got the original Avengers. Let me pull out the other pair. These things just go hard. Like, bump what anybody gotta say. These things, in my opinion, these things go hard. Like, oh, one more thing. They have they say Marvel on the lace tips. If you could see that, but it says Marvel. So without further ado, if you like the video, please like, because I will do unboxing videos like this in the future. If you guys like it, please comment below. But I'm about to put these baddies on. Let's get to it.